motion track in CapCut PC and make the camera follow you. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to use motion tracking and CapCut PC to make the camera follow you, whether you're vlogging, creating short films, or working on any video project. Motion tracking can add a whole new level of polish and creativity to your work. And without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first thing is to import your video into the timeline and CapCut for PC. And I have a sample video right here of a man playing basketball, and I want to motion track this ball and make the camera follow it. So how can I do it? It's pretty simple. The first thing that we'll do is to add a little text layer and drag it so it covers the whole video. Now we'll add a little dot or a full stop and then increase the size of that dot and make it bigger. We'll be using this dot to track the ball. I suggest that you change the color to red or yellow because we want this dot to be clearly seen, and you want to position this dot over the center of your frame. Let's go to the beginning. Our video, click on the video to select it and then zoom in and position the ball or whatever you're tracking to be right below the dot in the center. We now have to click on the diamond icon at the right side for the position and the scale option now. Once the keyframe is added, go forward a frame or two until the ball moves, adjust the video so that the ball is in the very center, and repeat this. During the whole video, you'll have to add a bunch of keyframes this way if you have a lot of movement. But this is the only free way to do this. So take your time and add as many keyframes as you need. And after we finish with adjusting the video and adding the keyframes, your result should look something like this. That's essentially how you can motion track in CapCut for PC. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon.